So understanding hardware and security dependencies is a critical component in understanding how to write controls and to put security around solutions that you may be offering to your customers or building for your consumers. So represented there in the yellow, that box is a hardware component. Hardware is a primary component. And of course that gray circle there, if you didn't know already, is a CD, around CD, right, representing software. And then you have your network component. Remember, we're talking about the primary hardware components that make up a solution which unavoidably is dependent and creates dependency for those security controls. And certainly, we're drawing it last here, but not least, are the processes associated with information technology and these hardware components. So let's align this up a little bit here. We've got the network, hardware, software, and let's draw out a firewall because we're going to throw security, IDS, IPS, firewall, etc. in with our network stack. It's an appliance that typically runs closely to the network, so we'll group it there. So we've got, of course, these primary components, hardware, we've got software, we've got network and security, and we have process. And what do all of these make up? They make up security controls. They're all dependent on one another. Change one out, and you've got a problem. So what does this mean for our end user? So let's go ahead, security controls here. Remember, these impact everything in our environment. Our end user, let's say our end user wants to use email as a service, right? They want to have email at their local terminal. Where are the dependencies? Well, you got them in hardware, software, network, and process. And any change within that environment will directly impact the security. So, for example, if I change out my network switch, I'm going to have a problem. So I'm going to need to rewrite that security control. So this creates a challenge. So where are those components, again, that if we change, that are interdependent on each other? We've got the network and security. We've got process, hardware, and software.